Are you looking to create an affiliate program on Skool but aren't sure where to start? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your program and how Skool stacks up against alternatives that might be even better for your goals. Let's jump right into it. First up, creating an affiliate program on Skool involves navigating through their system to set up courses or communities where people can refer others. To do this, you'll need to integrate your Skool account with payment processors and tracking tools. But here's the thing, Skool isn't known for its affiliate tools. While it allows you to set up communities and charge memberships, it doesn't offer a built-in affiliate tracking system. This means you'll need third-party tools like Thrivecart or PayKickstart to actually track and manage affiliates. It's doable, but it's a bit clunky if you're looking for something seamless. Next thing to consider, how easy is it to actually manage affiliates once you've set it up? Skool gives you basic course and community management, but you'll find that tracking affiliate commissions, linking to payment options, and keeping an eye on affiliate performance requires a lot of manual effort. Again, it can work, but it's far from automated and not as intuitive as other software out there. If you're just starting with a simple affiliate program, it might suffice, but more advanced features will require more tools and effort to integrate. The third thing to keep in mind is the support. Skool has a supportive community, but its official resources for affiliate programs are sparse. You'll need to rely on online guides or community-driven help to get through some of the more advanced affiliate features. This isn't terrible, but if you're someone who prefers strong customer support, especially when setting up something critical like an affiliate program, you might feel a little left out. The fourth thing to mention is pricing. Skool is affordable if you're looking to set up a community or a course platform. However, once you start integrating third-party affiliate tools, the costs can quickly add up. It's worth considering whether you're willing to spend extra money on external services just to make an affiliate program work on Skool, or if there's a more comprehensive solution out there. Now, I've got to mention that while Skool can get you up and running with an affiliate program, there are other platforms out there that specialize in affiliate marketing and can provide more seamless, built-in tools that save you time and hassle. For example, tools like Kartra or ClickFunnels come with integrated affiliate management, making it easier to track, manage, and optimize your program. They allow you to handle everything from commission structure to payout in a way that feels way more natural than Skool's workaround. In fact, through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to one of these alternatives that offer exactly what you're looking for. You'll get everything Skool does, but with a dedicated affiliate system that's designed for ease of use and efficiency. So, here's the deal. Skool is great for courses and communities, but when it comes to building a smooth and efficient affiliate program, there are better alternatives that will help you scale with fewer complications. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check the description for that and get started with a platform that offers the features you need without the hassle.